White Dolphin by Gil Lewis. Question, answers, and themes. Before I start my video, I'll request you, in case you like my channel, my videos, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can receive my upcoming videos. Today we will be discussing some question answers related to themes in White Dolphin. The writer Gil Lewis has used a number of themes in her novel White Dolphin. We see there is theme of hope, theme of despair, theme of dyslexia, theme of cerebral palsy, theme of Moana, theme of angel, theme of Couve, and symbolism in White Dolphin. We will be discussing all these themes one by one. So, first of all, let's see what is theme of hope in White Dolphin. We see theme of hope almost everywhere in the White Dolphin, but we see it is only protagonist Kara who is mostly full of hope throughout the novel. He is hopeful that her mother will come back one day. She is found telling her father again and again, "You have given up on mom. You haven't given up on Moana like you have given up on mom." We see that Kara has never given up about her mom, about Moana, and about Calf Dolphin. Kara is very optimistic throughout the novel. Had she not been an optimistic soul, she would not have been able to save the injured Calf Dolphin. The way she runs to the ocean mid of the night after dreaming about her mother, then she swims deep in the sea and then she finds the mother dolphin. This is another example of Kara's being optimistic character. Now we will be discussing theme of despair in White Dolphin. Although there are some characters who are very optimistic, but still we see that there are certain characters which are pessimist as well. Theme of hopelessness or despair is equally present in the novel White Dolphin. Many characters seems pessimist in the story. One of the main character, the antagonist Doggy Evans, is full of greed and despair, who thinks that if ban in reef will not be lifted, he will not be able to have enough fish for making his living. He is pessimist in the way he thinks that fishing can only be done in reef, although the whole ocean is available. But he is pessimist about it that he will, if ban will be lifted, he will not be able to dredge and he will not be able to have fishing in the ocean. We see Carl being pessimist and filled with despair when he comes to Couve and to save the dolphin. He time and again tells Kara not to have her hopes high and keep on telling her that the calf may not survive. While on the other hand, we see Kara being extremely optimistic and is always ready to take a chance. We also see that there is theme of dyslexia in White Dolphin. Dyslexia is in fact a learning disorder which Kara was suffering from. Kara's father also suffered from dyslexia and due to which he could not read and write. Kara's school had made special arrangements for Kara in school so that she could learn to read or write. A special teacher was arranged for Kara to make her practice letters on sand. In fact, the writer has specially used this disorder in the story, as it is sometimes seen in students and people around them do not realize the sensitivity of the illness. The writer has introduced this illness through her main characters so that readers can learn to empathize with such characters in society and not to bully them. The writer has also tried to tell that such illnesses can be handled and people with such disorders can be part of our society and can achieve their goals as Kara did by securing the reef. Another important theme that has been discussed in White Dolphin is theme of cerebral palsy. Cerebral palsy is a disorder that affects person's ability to move and maintain balance of the body. We see another important character, Felix, suffering from cerebral palsy. The purpose of writer to introduce cerebral palsy is that the readers must learn that people suffering from such illnesses can be useful part of the society and they should not be bullied the way they had been bullied in the story White Dolphin by Jake and Athens. The reader feels utmost sympathy with Felix and then writer tells the reader that such illnesses cannot stop you achieve something and they can be helpful for society. We only need to respect their individuality. Then theme of Moana has been used in White Dolphin. Moana is the boat that was made by Kara and her family together. Moana carries unique significance in the life of Kara and her dad. Moana represents the love and mutual bond between Kara and her family. Kara loves Moana as much as she loves her mother. For others, Moana can be a piece of wood, but for Kara, it is more than anything on earth. Kara had unique memories with Moana when she, along with her mother, used to sail in ocean in Moana. Moana gives Kara a hope that her mother will come back one day. Another theme that has been used in White Dolphin is theme of Angel. Angel was a name of a dolphin. This name was given to calf dolphin by Daisy. Angel the calf dolphin has significant importance in the life of protagonist Kara, who considers herself at the place of Angel, who is separated from her own mother like Kara. Kara wants Angel to recover quickly and get united with her mother. Kara's desperation for the angel shows her own distress for her mother. Another theme which the writer Gil Lewis has used is theme of Cove. Cove is the part of ocean where Kara loves going to when she's upset or distressed. She finds peace of mind and solitude in Cove. It was Cove where Kara first sighted a dolphin which she thinks was the sign of her mother. Whenever Kara would be upset, she would seek refuge in Cove. It was Cove where she saw the injured dolphin and rescued it with the help of Carl, Felix, and Greg. It was Cove when most of the story takes place. Another important theme in White Dolphin is symbolism. So we will be seeing how symbolism is tackled in White Dolphin. Symbolism basically is a poetic device, and it is a technique of using a symbol for certain abstract ideas. For example, we used dove as symbol of peace. Similarly, the writer Gil Lewis has used symbolism to portray certain abstract ideas in White Dolphin. The writer has used boat Moana as symbol of love and strong bonding between Kara and her family. Similarly, the injured calf dolphin, Angel, symbolizes Kara's own life where she's separated from own mother, like Angel is separated from her mother dolphin due to her being injured. A pairing of White Dolphin symbolizes that Kara thinks that her